Today's lesson is simplifying variable expressions, but we did this one in the last session, and we'll continue this one, and right now we're going to do a practice questions on this. Okay, so now let's look into this question right here. In this question, I can see that there is a distributive property. When I see the parentheses, I just go with the distributive property. So I'm going to go and distribute this one. Yeah. Oh yeah, you're doing well. Very good. There you go. So 4 times d is 4d, very good, plus 4 times 3, okay, that's good, plus 7d, very good. Now when I see this one, obviously I can see the like terms in this one, that's 4d and then 7d, so those are the like terms, 4d plus 12, that's 7d, yeah, combine the like terms in this. Yep, very good. I like that. I like that you write it out there. And then combine the like terms and put them together. Combine the like terms, so that's 11 moves. Good, you got it. I'm still using the highlighter. 11d and then plus 12. So that's the answer. Good job. Distribute this one. Negative times negative is a positive 2 plus 4m. Agree? Now when I look at this one, I see the like terms in this one. So the like terms are negative 4m and then positive 4m. So it basically, your mom gave you $4 and then took $4 away. So you have a 0 right there. So that means they cross out basically. So it's not, you don't need to write it. You can write a 0n, but again, it's basically 0. So only it's 2 left. Does that make sense? So when you see this question, there is a small mistake in there. So what is that mistake? Let's check it out. What's that? Oh, I'm on mute. So there's a small mistake in this one. So we're going to find out that one, okay? So the 20u, it's a separate, so I don't need to write anything. I'm going to write that one there. But the next one right here is a negative 6 or minus 6, whatever you call. This is where you multiply that, right? So the u doesn't have a number. That means what number do we have? It's 1. Okay. Any letter or any variable doesn't have a number in front, that means 1 is always there. Yeah. So now we always follow this one. Sign, number, letter. You follow that. For sign, negative times positive is negative. Number, 6 times 1 is 6. And then letter, so that's a u. Okay? Do you see that? Ready? Next one. Negative times positive is negative, that is sign. I only have numbers. 6 times 5. 30. Okay. Now let's combine the like terms. I see the like terms in this one. 20u and then negative 6u. So you did that one already. Good work on this. So when you combine these two, you get 14u and then minus 30. Can I combine these two or not? No. No, why not? Why cannot combine 14u and minus 30? Oh, you have to subtract it. Because they are not like terms. Okay? Since they are not like terms, we cannot combine them. That's your answer. That's pretty good. So you got that 7 and negative plus negative, that's positive 3. Good work. Make sure don't forget that one. Yep, good job. There's a 1 always here. Very good. Okay. When you did this question, you followed a pretty good procedure here. You did put it 1 right here. Very good. Okay. And then when you did this one, I want you to watch carefully. Okay. So you distribute this one here. Or before the distribution, I'm going to write it down the rest of them. That's negative w plus 4. So it's negative times positive is negative 3w. And then negative times negative is positive 13. Okay? Do you understand that so far? Good. Now let's look into the like terms. Let's look into the like terms here. Negative w and then negative 3w. you owe $3, and then you borrow $1 more. So now you owe $4. Just like in the number line, you have a -3, and then you have a -1 more. So you get -4W. And then 4 plus 13, that is 17. You see that?
Yes.
So that's what you got to be careful with that. So you put a 4 or negative, is that -4W?
Yeah.
Then it's good.
I couldn't decide if it was negative or positive, so I put
Yeah, the math is only get one sign, which is -4. So it has to be looked at it carefully. Okay, good. That's it. Always careful with the combining like terms. That's all you got to do. X squared, x to the 4 means there's no number, means there's 1 is there. It's always invisible 1. If you need it, we need to put it on. If you don't need it, you don't need to write it. Okay? When the answer comes, you don't need to write it. But when we need to solve it, then you have to put it out there. Like terms means same variables. So since you did that one really well, so let's try this one. So in this question, write and simplify the expression for the perimeter of the triangle. So when you find the perimeter, what does the perimeter means? Like, what do we need to do? Yeah, add all the sides. So when add all the sides, I'm going to write it down like this. X, the first one, plus the other one is x plus 5, and the other one is 2x plus 1. Okay, now I'm going to combine them because I see like terms. I see this one is like term, like term, like terms. Put them together. That's 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4 of them. 4 of the x's. And then the other variable is, other like term is 5. 5, let me change the color. That's 5 and then 1. Yep, you got it. Plus 6. Good work. Good work. That's it. And we cannot combine anymore because those are the like terms. We combine them, then that's a simplified question. Find the perimeter of this triangle. You need to add all the sides. So go ahead and write it down, and then let's see, combine the like terms. See what we can get.